Guys, today I'm going to show you how I make this turkey and yam pepper soup. Guys, this recipe was really delicious, so if you are interested, let's get started. So guys, I've washed the meat, then I cut it into smaller pieces. Now I'll be adding the onions, then I'll be adding ginger and garlic mix, then I'll add some crayfish, some pepper soup spice, an Eden pod, pepper mix, seasoning, salt to taste. Then I'll go ahead, I will stir everything together without adding any water. I'll be cooking the meat with a low heat for 10 minutes. I will allow the meat to release its own stock. That will add more flavor to this pepper soup. I will start adding the water. You need enough water to cook your pepper soup because you really need that pepper soup, the liquid. If you want to eat your rice and other things, you really need it too. That is why you want to add more water. So now I'll go ahead, I'll cover it, I'll allow it to cook. I've peeled my yam. So it's time for me to start adding the yam to the pepper soup. I'll add the yam, I'll stir everything together, then add some scent leaf. I really enjoy adding scent leaf to my pepper soup. You give it this nice aroma. So guys, as you can see, our pepper soup is done. This pepper soup was really delicious and is the perfect recipe for this weather. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. You can as well follow me for more recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.